Hello friends, in today's video we are going to cover the concept of left function, that is basically extracting any character on the left side of the given data set, like the data set that you are seeing in front of you. So let me just type the type what we are covering today, left functions. So I would have given this Excel file to you for practice, but unfortunately due to some of the YouTube criteria and guidelines, currently I'm not able to do that. Once I fulfill those criterias, I will be able to share these files for practice. But till that time, I recommend that maybe you can pause the video here and create this data set in the Excel file that you have with you, and then we can go ahead. So, the first function within left functions, the first formula that we are going to cover is, let's say, first name. Okay, so let's say you have a very big data set and you want to identify the first name of your customers. Let's say here data set is small, so maybe by just looking at it you can see the name and type it here, like let's say like this, John, Priya, and so on. But what if the list is very very huge, like thousands of customers? In that case, what will you do? So here we will learn how to use left function. So the formula goes like this: we type equal to, then left, then we select the text, like let's say I want to extract the first name from customer name, so I select B6. Then I type another function within this function, that is find. Then I put two colons. Why? That is because there is a gap between John and Smith. So what I am telling Excel, you have to go to the cell B6. You have on the left hand side, and you have to extract the character on the left. But before that, what I am telling is I'm separating these two now, John and Smith. To do that, I am putting this find formula, putting the colon so that gap is identified. Then again comma, then again I give reference of this cell, because now by doing this Excel will identify any space between two characters in the given cell. Then I close the bracket and I do -1. Then I again close the bracket for this left function. Okay, I think here I have to give space. Yeah, now the formula is working. So let me break down the formula again for you. What we did, we are using the left function. So we are basically extracting the character on the left side. But left of what? That is the question. So within cell B6, we are giving the command find, or we are putting the another formula within left formula, which is find. We are telling Excel to find the space. I have put space between the colons earlier. It was not, that is why the result did not come. Then I am giving the cell reference. And after finding the space, I am telling Excel wherever the space exists, -1. So uh, just characters before the space. That is why -1. So that is why I am getting John Smith. Now let's say if I make it +1, what will happen? So after character, only S has been identified. So like this, it will work. Then let's say I want to find first three letters. So let's say, for example, from the product code, as you can see, there is a pattern. in every product code, mm, there are three characters and then there is a dash. So I will put it here, put it as product category, let's say. So the first three characters of product code represents the product category. Before that, let me just copy and paste this first name formula. So as you can see, the names are displayed. Moving ahead, product category. So what I simply do is equal to left. Then this is the text, comma. I put three. So three is basically number of characters that I want to extract. So as you can see, first three letters are now displaying. I can apply same thing to this. Let's say invoice number. I want to find invoice prefix. So let's say invoice prefix. I will just copy and paste the formula here. Yep, it will work like this. Then let's say within the email IDs that we have, we want to find the username. So first we saw how to find first name within name and surname that exist in customer them, but how to do that in for let's say email, because earlier there was space but here there is no space. So now what to do? So I put here as email prefix before at the rate. So whatever is there before at the rate, we are trying to find it. So I say left, then I put C6 this time because we are looking at the email column. Then I type find. Then I put this character at the rate within colon, then comma, then again give reference of the cell, bracket complete, minus one, again bracket complete. So anything before at the rate, we are trying to extract. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.